Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas. Today we're gonna finish up cleaning the sides. We're gonna get this started right now. Hey guys, with an update between sanding and putty rounds. I made a big mistake yesterday on the other side of the car. Yesterday I painted it, but when I was prepping the paint I used the wrong degreaser. So now I had a little bit of touch-up work to do on the passenger side. And when sanding, everything, all paint just got sticky. I tried to take most of it off. It went pretty well. I hope I can sand it now. This is how far I've come on the driver's side. It's come together nicely. So I'm done with the driver's side, with the putty and sanding work at least. I'm gonna go to the store now, try to find something to remove the paint on the passenger side. What's up you guys? It's day 2 of part 2 of me trying to clean up the sides of my Golf. As I told you yesterday, I made a big mistake with the paint I did on the passenger side of the car. Today I'm going to be trying to clean it off. I got some acetone with me. Got myself a few old towels to clean it off with. So, and as you can see, today I'm working in the garage. So, let's get going. So that actually went better as I was expecting. As you saw, it went pretty quickly. Let me take you guys along. So I still have some stripes left, like here. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that. But for the most part, it actually looks pretty good. Alright you guys, I'm happy. Got the side ready to spray paint it again. So I'm gonna do that right now. Passenger side is looking pretty neat, but now I'm gonna turn this thing around. Try to finish the other side up today. So right now, same stuff, different side. Got my piece of sanding paper with me. Gonna take you back to the timeline. Alright, got it finished. It's looking good, not perfect. Since the car will probably be wrapped, it will not be visible anymore when it's wrapped. So this actually is doing the trick. Got the sides all nicely painted. No more side rims. So that will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload. So that's it for now. See you next time.